Hi. At this point, we're going to read in our market data into R, and the first way to do that is to use the clipboard. So to do that, I'm just going to go over to my Excel file, and I'm in the monthly tab here. And I'm going to highlight the data that I want to copy into R, hit Control-C. It will go over back to RStudio, and just enter the following. We're going to say data, the name of our data frame, and that's going to be equal to read table, and the file is going to equal clipboard. And we have to specify that the separator is a tab because all Excel files are tab separated, and that we also highlighted the header, so we got to tell it that we have the header in there as well. Okay. If we run that, we'll get our observations in a data frame in R.